Hi, in this video, we are going to cover how to complete the final thesis for your NHD project. So you'll find the project in your Google Classroom page under classwork, under the National History Day icon here um, under classwork. If you look at the way it's structured, it should be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th item for National History Day. Towards the top, might not be the complete top, but right up there. Go ahead and click on this. You'll see that you'll get your own final thesis slideshow. This is part of your standards where you have to critique historical data in context and write a written argument that's supported by evidence. The directions are as follows. I have a sentence stem here for you, just in case you have a hard time getting started, or if you just want to enhance the way that you write your thesis statement, you can just follow this formula I have right here. So the formula is as follows. The way your sentence should read is this way. The event you're talking about in a certain location during a certain time period affected someone's right to whatever the right is as a result of lens number 1, lens number 2, and lens number 3 factors. On the next page, that's slide 2. On slide 3, this is where you're going to plug in your specific project data to that formula. So over here under thesis, it breaks down all of these certain items that should be included in this statement, starting with your topic. So go ahead and replace this right here with the name of your topic or event that you're studying. Just type it right there. Then underneath, when did your event or topic occur? Below that, which right or freedom are you referring to? Tell me in the next box, who lost the right or who gained the right? And then, of course, your 3 historical lenses that you used in your races responses go here. Once you have that information, in this box, you're going to put it all together. So anytime you see brackets like this, replace that with one of these boxes. So event, replace with event, location with the location, which I'm realizing is not on here. This should say the time period / dates and location of your event here. During what time period? So time, place. Who? So go ahead and replace it with the who. Which right? Replace with the right. And of course, your 3 historical lenses go right here. Now on slide 4, you will see my example with the Montgomery bus boycott. So I typed in, well, the Montgomery bus boycott. Now, obviously, I accidentally made a mistake here, so I'm going to add it. The year was 1955 to 1956. It was, of course, in Montgomery, Alabama. Right, there you go. The right that was taken or given, in this case it was given, was equal access to public transportation. It was given to Black Americans at first and later all Americans who had previously not had that right. So Asian Americans, Latino Americans, etc. Really depending on where you lived in the country. And then my 3 lenses are political, economic, and social. We read the political races response together in the races response assignment example. So over here, here's how it would read. The bus boycott in Montgomery, Alabama. So I didn't write the Montgomery bus boycott in Montgomery, Alabama, because I felt that that was redundant saying the city twice. So the bus boycott in Montgomery, Alabama during 1955 and 1956 affected Black Americans' right to equal access to public transportation as a result of political, economic, and social factors. That is a thesis that is good enough for this assignment. This is not an advanced thesis statement, but that's not the point of the assignment. The point is to create an answer to your research question. For many of you, you can go beyond the template I've given you. If you feel comfortable with it, you can make it more complex by adding whether the right was gained or lost, and or if you want to use your own formula, you don't have to use mine. But for those of you who feel more comfortable using this formula, go ahead and do that. As long as you fill out each box, you fill out the template, you should do fine on this assignment.